And coming to India here, India's largest life insurance company is going public. LIC, popularly known as Life Insurance Corporation of India, is going to go public in March. It's expected to make its initial public offering. Now, there are a lot of unknowns about this decision, and questions are there. Why is LIC going public? How big will be the IPO, and how many shares will be on offer? And also, how can policyholders claim those shares? Our next report tells you all you need to know.
On the 19th of June 1956, the Parliament of India passed an act to create the Life Insurance Corporation of India, LIC, an investment corporation aimed at making life insurance reasonable and affordable for all Indians. Over the years, this corporation became a household name. It grew into an insurance behemoth with a strong grip on the market. Despite the entry of several private players, even today, LIC's market share stands at 64.1% in terms of premiums, making it the biggest life insurer in the country. If these feats weren't enough, LIC is now set to hit another big milestone. The company has filed its draft Red Herring Prospectus, DRHP, for an initial public offering or IPO. If you're someone who doesn't understand how this works, here's a detailed breakdown of what's about to happen. LIC is going public, meaning its shares will soon be up for sale. The state-owned company is also offering millions of its policyholders a chance to invest. When is this happening? Most likely in March 2022. That's when the IPO is expected to be launched. Why is this happening? To bolster the government's coffers drained by the pandemic. India has recorded its worst recession since independence due to COVID-19. LIC's IPO will give the government some much-needed financial relief. So how many shares will the government sell? The government of India owns 100% stake in the insurer. It will sell 5% of its stake in the IPO, and up to 10% of the shares will be reserved for policyholders. How can policyholders claim this offer? By making their bid under the policyholders' quota. All they have to do is link their PAN card details with life insurance policies. So how big will this IPO be? The biggest ever to hit the Indian stock markets. Reports say the listing is expected to raise 65,000 crores, making LIC the biggest listed financial service provider in India. How will the company benefit? IPO documents filed with SEBI indicate that LIC may be valued in excess of 12.5 lakh crore, making it more valuable than all other listed government-owned entities. But a few uncertainties remain over this move, such as questions on whether investment decisions will be made by the LIC management without any government interference. It's also unclear if LIC will be able to retain its market share, given the increased competition for younger consumers from new and tech-savvy entrants in the market.
WION now available in your country. Download the app and get all the news on the move.